Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are learning keep commerce humor. Stay is the global marketplace for unique and creative goods. It's home to a universe of special extraordinary items, from unique hand created pieces to vintage treasures. In a time of increasing automation, it's our mission to keep human connection at the heart of commerce. That's why we build a piece where creativity lives and thrives because it's powered by people. We helped our community of seller tum their ideas turned into successful businesses. Our platform connects them with millions of buyers looking for an alternative, sometimes something special with a human touch for those moments in life that deserve imagination. As a company, we strive to lead with our guiding principle to help spread ideas of sustainability and responsibility whose impact can reach for beyond our own business. How it's work? Our global marketplace is a vibrant community to people connecting over speaking goods. The platform empowers sellers to do what they love and help buyers find their way. Sell extraordinary with low fees, powerful tools and support and education. We help creative entrepreneurs start, manage and scale their businesses. Want to become a seller? All it takes the 0.20 USSD to get started. By extraordinary, from the specific to the extra expected or custom made, our search tools help buyers explore all the special one of kind items offered by a stay seller. Our journal and editor picks crude excitement, trends and ideas discovered in the marketplace by your own team. Shop securely. We provide the technology behind the stay marketplace, helping buyers and sellers connect and exchange and stay. Keep those connections safe, fun, and secure. It is our priority, and we always here to help. What can I understand news about Steve? You will find a product announcement and companies and news and community members in our team blogs for individuals and everything about Stay. Now we are going to the second article on Stay. Now we are learning Stay business model. Have you ever wondered where you can find amazing antique things that we have made a lot care or skill, like things that are totally unique and no one else has? No interesting thing about ST business model. Well, let us introduce you ST. ST is a renewed online marketplace that has become synonymous with all things vintage, handmade, and unique, with millions of active buyers and sellers worldwide. Stay has transformed the way Arston and Crafter shows their creation and connect with a global audience. The platform global reach allows sellers from different parts of the world to reach a vast audience of potential buyers, making it a truly international marketplace. As a result, Stay has played a crucial role in supporting independent city artisans and small businesses, providing them with the opportunity to turn their passion into profitable venture. Here we are discuss the factors that contribute to seller success on Stay, the challenges and opportunities the platform faces in the market, and the shopping app development company for this beloved online marketplace. Whoa. Now, history of background of Step. Before knowing about Step business model, you should know aware of this purpose of background. Step was born in June 2005 when founder Rob Kellen, an entrepreneur with a passion of working and want to become a custom shopping app development that will bring together assistant and buyer and around the world with focus on supporting small scale and stay quickly gained popularity has since grown into global market and with millions of active buyers. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Stay safe, stay happy.